Okay, I was just doing some, I'm just replacing the blade on this mower. This is one of the cheap 20-inch MTD mowers, and a lot of people don't know how to change the wheel height on these. I thought I'd showcase that because I'll show it from the top view now. Now, actually, let me just tilt it back forward. Okay. You actually can change the height of the wheels on these if you want, but that is a bit involved. You have to unbolt each wheel and put them in a different hole. The bottom hole is the highest setting, top hole is the lowest setting. All four wheels have that.